You know that feeling when someone you care about tells you they love you, and you just feel nothing? No warmth, no butterflies, just a hollow echo inside your chest. And the scariest part is you don't even care that you don't care. Welcome back to The Psychology Guy, and today we're talking about something that silently destroys men's relationships before they even start: emotional numbness. Here's what happens. Emotional numbness isn't laziness or coldness. It's a defense mechanism your brain built to survive. Maybe you grew up in a chaotic home where feelings got you hurt, or you've been grinding so hard chasing success that emotions started feeling like a luxury you couldn't afford, or you've been rejected so many times your nervous system said, "Nope, we're shutting this down." Your brain thinks it's protecting you, but what it actually does is lock you out of the one thing that makes relationships work: genuine connection. And when you're emotionally numb, you can't give what a partner needs: vulnerability, presence, reciprocal care. So she eventually feels like she's dating a ghost, someone physically there, but emotionally unavailable, and she leaves. The psychology is brutal. You can't build trust without emotional openness. You can't build intimacy without vulnerability. But here's the game changer. Emotional numbness is completely reversible. First, you need to identify the root. Was it childhood trauma? Chronic stress? Repeated rejection? Once you know where it came from, you can actually heal it. Second, start small. Literally feel your body again. Cold showers, intense exercise, even just sitting with uncomfortable emotions for 5 minutes without running away or numbing yourself. Your nervous system has to learn that feelings won't destroy you. Third, practice micro-vulnerability with low-stakes people first. Not your crush, but your friends, your family, someone safe. Tell them something real, something that scares you a little, and watch what happens. They don't reject you. They actually connect with you more. And fourth, stop the productivity grind mentality that taught you emotions were weak. Real strength is feeling everything and still showing up. When you rewire your nervous system and reconnect with your emotions, something magical happens. You don't just save your future relationships, you actually live your present. If this hit home, smash that subscribe button.